Hello everybody, this is Vincent from Affiliate Theme.io and this video is about shops. So shops are automatically created after importing a product. So for example, you imported a product from Amazon and automatically a new shop is created here under the shops tab on the left side. So let's just click it. Oops, let's click shops. And we already see a number of shops because I already imported a number of products from different shops. So for example, we have Amazon here already. So the shops are indeed created automatically, but the logo for each shop still has to be added. So let's just give it a try with Amazon. So you can see here on the right side that you can set a featured image. So this is just the vocabulary from a regular post page inside WordPress. In that case, featured image means the defined shop image, in that case for Amazon. So we just click set featured image, we go to upload and we upload the Amazon logo. We just click open. Click set featured image and click update. So after we added our featured image for the Amazon shop, we still have a few other options to define. And they are down here in the shops section. And first of all, we will deal with the price trend. So once again, what is the price trend? So let's go to a single product page for this BenQ gaming monitor we dealt with in an earlier video. So for this monitor, I already imported two additional prices. So I originally imported the product from Amazon. I added it from Comtech and eBay. So why did I do this? Well, first of all, obviously that's better for the customer. But second of all, I want to show you this price comparison. So first of all, you just have the simple table. And then you have the price trend. So it's like a price development diagram. So this is a very useful feature for the customer. And you can see that the trend of the price for different shop is plotted here. Right now you can see everything is still gray. So, and we cannot properly distinguish the lines. Of course, here it says eBay if you hover over it, but we want it to have the corresponding colors that match the shop. So now we're back in our Amazon shop editing, and we go back again to shops price trend, and we can see first of all we can hide the price so that the line of Amazon will not be displayed here anymore. But we can also just define the color for the line that will be displayed. So I'm just going to pick the typical Amazon orange. I'm updating the shop. I go back to the front end, update, and now you can see, okay, the system understood, and we now have an orange or Amazon orangish line displayed. Let's just do this for the two other shops remaining. So the other two shops we have to edit are Comtech and eBay. So let's start with eBay. So first of all, we will set the featured image again. So we'll upload the corresponding logo. So let's just go to the eBay logo, click open, set featured image. So we have this done. And next we will define the color for the price trend. So eBay has actually four different color in its logo. I'm just gonna pick the eBay blue, so it is distinguished from the other colors we have in our trend bar. So I'm gonna click update. So let's just refresh this page and see, okay, we already have two different colors. Last but not least, let's do the same thing for Comtech. I go back to shops, I pick Comtech. I already added the logo last time, so our single product page looks properly, but we already know how this works, so no problem. Let's just go down to the price trend, click the color picker, and this time I'm gonna take this warm yellow Comtech has. click update, go back to our front end, and see now we have those three different colors, and our price trend already looks much better. We can distinguish the different lines, and you don't have this boring gray anymore inside your plotted diagram.